Warping caused by too much moisture during installation can totally wreck your floors or wood projects, so you gotta know how to avoid it right from the start. Moisture is like the enemy when you're installing wood or laminate floors, so first off, always check the humidity levels in the room before you even open the boxes. You want it somewhere between 35 and 55%. Anything higher and your wood's gonna soak up that water and start warping. Make sure the wood or flooring material is properly acclimated to the room for at least 72 hours. Just letting it chill in the space helps it get used to the moisture and temperature, which stops surprises later. When you're laying down the flooring, keep an eye on any spills or leaks and clean them up as soon as possible because standing water is a fast track to warping. Also, if you're installing over concrete, use a moisture barrier or underlayment specifically designed to block moisture coming up from below. Don't forget to leave proper expansion gaps around the edges so the wood has room to move without buckling. If you're dealing with hardwood, sealing the wood with a good finish before installation can help lock out moisture too. Lastly, control the environment after installation by using dehumidifiers or air conditioning in humid months 2Z. Keeping that air dry is clutch for preventing future warping. One of the biggest mistakes people make with warping due to excessive moisture during installation is skipping the acclimation process, which causes the wood to expand or contract after it's laid down. So always let your materials get comfy in the room first. Another common issue is not checking or controlling the humidity levels in the home. If it's too damp, your floors won't stand a chance. Use a hygrometer and keep that humidity steady. Lastly, ignoring moisture barriers on concrete subfloors leads to water seeping up into your wood and wrecking it fast. Make sure you have a quality vapor barrier installed before anything else goes down. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and can prevent problems like warping from happening in the first place. Plus, it helps contractors connect with new clients who need reliable pros for their home improvement jobs, so everybody wins.